Today, I want to take you somewhere cooler, greener, and very different from the usual city property tour. Commune Village, located inside Century PHirst Centrale Batulao in Nasugbu, Batangas. A master-planned township that combines modern home design with the refreshing highland lifestyle near Tagaytay. Before we begin, here are the quick numbers. Commune Village occupies approximately 6.5 hectares. It is part of the much larger 142-hectare Century PHirst Centrale Batulao Township, with homes starting at around 5.8 million. Now, what makes this project interesting? First, it is not just another subdivision. It is part of a township development by Century Properties Group, one of the Philippines' most established developers with over 40 years of experience in real estate. The vision for Centrale Batulao is to create a complete live, work, play community with residential, commercial, recreational, and institutional components all integrated into one master-planned environment. Location is one of its strongest selling points. You're only about 20 minutes from Tagaytay City, where you can enjoy restaurants, cafes, leisure destinations, and the cool weather that people love. You're also about 35 minutes from the beaches of Nasugbu, giving residents easy access to both mountain and coastal lifestyles. For those coming from Metro Manila, travel time is around 2.5 hours via Calax, with future infrastructure projects expected to improve accessibility even further. One thing that really stands out about this location is that it offers a slower pace of life without feeling isolated. You get fresh air, mountain views, and open spaces while still remaining connected to major urban centers. Now let's talk about the township concept of Century PHirst Centrale Batulao. It's organized around 3 major zones: dwell, create, and thrive. The dwell zone is where Commune Village is located. This is the residential component designed for families, professionals, retirees, and even those looking for a second home outside of Metro Manila. The create zone will house future commercial establishments, retail spaces, restaurants, and essential services. The goal is to bring daily conveniences closer to residents so they don't need to drive all the way to Tagaytay for every errand. The entire township is designed around a 15-minute city concept where daily necessities, recreation, business, and community spaces are all within easy reach. For investors, this is important because you're not just buying a house, you're buying into the future growth of the entire township. Now let's look at the model units. Commune Village has 2 residential models. The first is Kaizen Townhome, inspired by the Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement. Kaizen is a 2-story townhome, which comes with 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, a semi-open garage, and an open-concept living and dining area. The design focuses on functionality, natural ventilation, and efficient use of space, making it ideal for young professionals, small families, or first-time homeowners. The second model is the Sansa Duplex. This is a larger 2-story duplex home, which features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a spacious living area, and a second-floor balcony. The design is modern with clean architectural style that complements the natural surroundings of Batulao. For growing families who need more space, Sansa offers a very attractive option. One of the biggest advantages of Commune Village is its amenity package. There is a water play park designed for children and families, a swimming pool, basketball court, fitness gym, and a multi-purpose area for community events and gatherings. The village also features 24/7 security, gated access, and future connectivity to the township's commercial and community zones. These amenities help create a community where residents can live, exercise, socialize, and relax without having to leave the neighborhood. Now, here's something particularly interesting for foreign buyers and OFWs. Commune Village is the only village within Century PHirst Centrale Batulao that offers CCT or Condominium Certificate of Title homes. Why is that important? Because under Philippine law, foreign nationals can legally own condominium titled properties. So this creates a unique opportunity for foreigners who want to own a home within a master planned township while enjoying a house and lot lifestyle. So whether you are looking for a primary residence, a vacation home, or long-term investment, Commune Village offers a combination of location, township growth potential, and accessibility that's becoming increasingly difficult to find. If you would like to learn more about Commune Village or schedule a site visit, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to help you in determining whether this community is the right fit for your lifestyle and investment goals. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.